Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. If you love all things makeup related, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell for future notifications of uploads because that's what my channel is all about. And today I created this shimmery dramatic look using the Empowered palette by Huda Beauty, and we're just going to jump right into it. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Rebel on a Sigma E35 blending brush. I'm going to blend this into my crease. This is a cool tone matte brown transition shade, and I'm just going to blend this all over my crease area. I'm going to take Ariel A20 and go with the shade Big Dreams. This is a gray, purple, matte brown shade. It's a cool tone, and I'm going to blend this into my outer upper crease and my outer V. I'm going to clean up my outer V so I have a nice line there with my finger, and then I'm going to go with the Morphe M507 in the shade Confident. This is a really dark chocolate matte brown, and I'm going to blend this into my lower eyelid outer V area, bringing it up into the crease slightly, but I want the darkest part to be down by my lash line. I'm going to go with a Basanti eyeshadow brush and some Milk Hydro Grip setting spray. And then I'm going to go with the shade Bold Moves. This is a really pretty silvery gold shade. It's like the perfect mix between silver and gold. And I'm going to apply this wet into the inner half of my eyelid, bringing it over into that darker brown outer V. This is almost creating a cut crease look, and I like for the part by my crease, the top part of the shimmer, to extend a little bit longer than the shimmer by my lash line. It just kind of gives it this more cut crease effect. Getting that same brush wet again using the other side, I'm going to go with the shade Courageous. This is a really pretty purple shimmery shade. It's a lot darker than what it looks like in the palette. It's a very dark, vampy purple shimmer, and I'm applying this between the light shimmer and the darker outer V. Taking my finger, I'm going to go with the shade Visionary. This is my favorite shades in the palette. It's like a purple peach, and then you mix it together and it's this beautiful shimmery peach shade, and I'm going to apply that in between the two shimmers. And then I'm going to touch up Bold Moves into the inner half of my eyelid and making sure it's nice and shimmery. And I'm going to go back in with my Morphe M507 and go with the shade Confident and make sure that outer V is dark and vampy, creating that smoky eye look. And using the same Morphe M507, I'm going to go with the shade Big Dreams, and I'm going to blend that all over my bottom lash line. With the same brush, I'm going to take the shade Confident, that dark chocolate brown, and blend that into the outer V lower lash line, the outer half. Taking a Morphe GH39, I'm going to take the shade Visionary, which is that really pretty peach purpley shade, and I'm going to blend this into the inner half of my bottom lash line. And with the same GH39, I'm going to take the Rare Beauty highlighter in the shade Exhilarate. This is my favorite inner corner highlighter right now, and I'm going to apply this into my inner corner and make sure it's nice and highlighted. I'm going to apply some matte black Urban Decay Perversion eyeliner to my bottom waterline and then touch it into my outer upper V lash line, and then take an L'Oreal A18 brush and I'm just going to blend this out. This really helps give the lash line more dramatic look and just blends it out, makes it super smoky. I love doing this without doing a wing because it just gives you that extra oomph that you need without the wing. And I'm just going to blend this up into the eyeshadow and just smoke it out. I'm then going to apply some mascara and false Ardell Dummy Wispy lashes, and that completes this look. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.